Hello students! Today we are going to do our second chapter from Supplementary English Reader from 9th class of Punjab School Education Board. The name of the chapter is Wishes Come True. The chapter's title is quite clear. Wishes come true. आपकी इच्छाएं, आपकी कामनाएं जो कि पूरी हो जाए. And it is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So in this chapter we will find it's a story of a son and father. Both are, you will say, the name of the father is Subhil Chandra and the name of the son is Sushil Chandra. Now my dear students, will you please tell me the meaning of Subhil? This is a Hindi word. This is from Hindi vocabulary. Subhil means a person who is well built, very strong, and Sushil means a person who is well behaved. Okay, Sushil. So both were really exactly opposite of their names. Father was very weak and feeble, but his name was Subhal. Whereas son, he was good for nothing. He always used to make excuses. So what we find in this story, that Subhal and Sushil both are not satisfied with their present state. ठीक है, बाप और बेटा दोनों, सुशील चंद्र और सुबिल चंद्र दोनों ही अपनी प्रेजेंट स्टेट के साथ बिल्कुल भी सेटिस्फाइड नहीं है. जो लड़का है, ही इज ऑलवेज जस्ट फाइंडिंग द वेज एंड मेकिंग एक्सक्यूजेस सो दैट ही मे नॉट गो टू स्कूल. वो स्कूल जाना ही नहीं चाहता एंड एवरी डे ही जस्ट इन्वेंट न्यू एक्सक्यूजेस. One day what happened? One day he woke up for going to the school. Suddenly he reminded that there is a firework in the evening at the neighborhood. So he made an excuse. He cried and he said to father, "Papa, I am not willing to go to school today because I am not well." Father understood very well. He said, "Okay, if you are not well, just stay inside, have proper rest, and I will bring a bitter juice for you, bitter mixture of some herbs, and that will make you correct. I have a tummy ache." Now, as he heard of that bitter mixture, he said, "Papa, I'm okay now, so I'm just going to school." But Papa said, "No, just stay here. Take this bitter mixture and consume it and stay here for the whole day. You are not allowed to go outside." वो उसको वो कड़वा सा काढ़ा दे देता है बेटा और कहता है कि अब सारा दिन तुम यहीं अंदर बैठो, कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है बाहर जाने की. The son, he understood that father has got what it is happening inside his mind. Now inside the room, the son, he thought that it would be better if I would be a father's age. अगर मैं पापा की उम्र का होता ना तो कितना मज़ा आता. I should do everything. Nobody will be there to just say me don't do this, don't do that. Nobody will stop me. On the other hand, father, he was sitting outside. He thought, if I were the age of my son, then I would really study a lot, because when I was a child I didn't get enough time, enough opportunity to study. Now if God convert me to the age of my son, I will do a lot of study. Did you understand up to this? Okay, I'll just repeat in Hindi. बेटा जो था वो रूम के अंदर बैठा हुआ था और उसने सोचा कि अगर मैं पापा की उम्र का हो जाऊँ ना तो अपनी मर्जी करूँगा. उधर पापा ने सोचा अगर मैं बेटे की उम्र का हो जाऊँ तो खूब डट के पढ़ूंगा. उनका कोई मूड नहीं उछल कूद करने का, बट वो पढ़ना चाहते हैं एक बार दोबारा. नाउ at meanwhile, lady of wishes, she was passing by. She stopped for a moment and she listened what is happening inside the mind of these father and son both. So she said, "Okay, your wishes are granted." लेडी ऑफ विशेस जो थी, आशाओं की जो देवी थी, वो वहाँ से निकली. उसने कहा, "ठीक है बच्चे, आपकी जो विशेस है वो यहाँ पे पूरी हो जाएंगी, मैं करके देखती हूँ." So what happened next day? It's very interesting story. So just watch this video till end. What happened next day when they woke up? The boy woke up. He found that his shirt is very tight. It is bursting into the seams, and all that teeth they have gone, and there is a small tuft of you see beard is there. On the other hand, what do that father find? He found that his now his head it's covered with hair, and he has become very small, and his clothes are becoming very loose because now he is a very small boy. उसके कपड़े जो खुले हो गए और दूसरी तरफ लड़के के कपड़े जो थे वो टाइट हो गए. Now they started their day. Now when the small boy was he was small, but he wished that if I were big, I will go to the pond and I will do a number of mischiefs and nobody will be there to stop me. Now he went there near the pond. He just hold the branch. He want to climb up the branch, but he could not because of overweight. And when he just hold the branch, he fell down. And all the passersby they started clapping on seeing this, that how a big person is just hanging on the branch. He just came back. वो अपने घर वापस आ जाता है और आराम से बैठ जाता है. And on the other hand, that father, he took the books and he just started reading. But after some time he found that it's very boring. Then he gave some money to the servant and told him to bring some candies. Then he thought that how they will think that we are bringing, that he's asking for candies. So then he just stopped the idea. Then after that, what happened, students? Friends of the little boy, they came for playing. They were surprised to see all that. On the other hand, people from the age of this father, they also came. They were also surprised. Now this little boy, he rebuked father who was now a small boy. छोटा बच्चा जो कि अब पापा बन गया था, उसने अपने बेटे को यानी कि अपने पापा को बोला कि go and study inside. उसने एक ट्यूटर एंगेज कर दिया और उसको बिठा दिया कि just go and study. Now everything what do they wished earlier has just turned. जो उन्होंने विश की थी वो सारी एकदम से चेंज हो गई ना. When they were not of that age, they wished that we should do this, we should do that. But जैसे ही लेडी ऑफ विशेस ने उनकी विशेस ग्रांटेड की, तो उनको बिल्कुल भी मज़ा नहीं आया. Both of them got bored just within one day. So in this way, the whole day just passed. And in the evening, both of them, they were sitting alone and they were thinking, oh no, we should go back to our earlier stage. हमें अपनी पहले वाली स्टेज ही बेटर थी. At that time again, Lady of Wishes, she passed by. She again came and she said, I think you had your enough. You have enjoyed a lot. Are you satisfied? So both of them, they just bowed their head. उन्होंने अपने सिर झुका लिए and they felt very ashamed. Then Lady of Wishes, she said, okay, now in the tomorrow morning you will be having your own age, your own roles. Next day फिर क्या होता है, उठते हैं, लड़का छोटा लड़का ही रहता है, जो फादर है वो फादर ही रहता है. But the same thing happened again. The father, he again said, beta, I just got up, it's a time to go to school. But the son says, Papa, I have lost my grammar book. So their excuses, it was repeated again. So my dear students, it's a very interesting story and I think it happens with all of us. हम सबके साथ होता है ना, जब हमें कोई डांटता है तो हमें लगता है काश हम इस पोजीशन पे होते ना तो फिर इनको बताते कि कैसा करना है. But actually जिसका जो काम है उसी को सूट करता है. ठीक है. So interestingly we have just listened this story. If you liked it, just share it with others, and if you have not subscribed my channel so far, subscribe it. And I assure you that during this lockdown I will try to complete your syllabus from 7th standard onwards. We will just update all the chapters which are there along with the question answers. So keep watching. Till then, Bye bye.